Okay, today we got 15 pounds of pork shoulder butt from Costco. $41, $2.69 a pound. We are gonna smoke this tomorrow, but for now we're going to put it into this bowl and get some salt and seasoning on it, so that tomorrow it's ready to go. Okay, the first thing we do is we're gonna add some salt. Okay, the first step is to use the kosher salt. We're almost out with this box, but get this at Costco also. It's like $4 for the whole box. Perfect. This is just a base layer. We're gonna go one coating of just some salt, because we're gonna put a seasoning on it too, a rub. So we just did a quick coating of salt on both of them, once around. Okay, so we got this at Costco too, Bad Byron's butt rub. I use it a lot. It's not at every Costco, it's just at mine, because when I was in LA I tried to get it and they didn't have it. So it's good, or you can make your own. Here we go. You're gonna put more on than you think you really need. And then you're gonna get it in all the little nooks and crannies too. This is what they look like. Nicely coated all around. We're just gonna wrap these up and stick them in the fridge till it's ready. And that's it. You just wrap them up and then stick them in the fridge. They're ready to go onto the barbecue. Nice and easy.